Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Polestar 2 expert review. Duncan Brady want an electric luxury car and can't stand the idea of owning a Tesla? One of your alternatives, the Polestar 2, is getting a major update for 2024. The 2024 Polestar 2's updates involve more than just a new grille and a bigger screen. The fastback F gains new motors that augment the experience with more power and more range. The four-door Polestar competes against other electric offerings like the Tesla Model 3, BMW i4, and high-end Ioniq 6, as well as similarly sized gas alternatives like the Audi A5 Sportback. Collapse all Chevron. What's new? Chevron more powerful front and rear motors, updated styling with the Smart Zone front grille that debuted on the Polestar 3 single motor variant is now RWD instead of FWD. Dual motor variants, new rear biased torque split and disengaging front motor, improved range, up to 300 miles, additional standard equipment, faster charging for single motor variants. What we think Chevron style stands out for the Polestar 2. This is a unique shape with distinctive detailing that serves as an appealing alternative for those uninterested in the ubiquity of the Tesla Model 3 or the staid design of the BMW i4. Unfortunately, none of the paint options are particularly inspired. We like the Polestar's chic interior design, too. Although buyers familiar with Volvo's offerings may be disappointed in the amount of shared parts. We've complained about the Polestar's terminal understeer through corners in previous models, but engineers seem to have rebalanced the handling with the 2024 model's new rear motor and rear biased AWD system. The single-motor Polestar 2 now drives the rear wheels, and after testing the new rear driver, we were impressed with the newfound endurance and newly settled ride quality. The infotainment setup is beginning to look dated, though. Remember, this is the same size and resolution touchscreen that debuted in the 2015 Volvo XC90. Performance pack buyers may be dismayed to learn the new model year's car has a bit less power. That said, the 2024 Polestar 2's additional power and range for the rest of its variations easily overshadow that one disadvantage. Motors and performance. Chevron. The most drastic change for the 2024 Polestar 2 is what turns the wheels. Previously, single-motor variants were FWD, but the new model year brings a more powerful rear-wheel drive entry-level offering. The new rear motor develops 299 horsepower and 361 pounds-to-feet, over 231 horsepower and 243 pounds-to-feet in the outgoing model, and drops the single-motor Polestar 2's 0 to 60 miles per hour down to 5.3 seconds from 7.0 seconds. Don't think you dual-motor buyers are left behind. The new rear motor mentioned above is also employed in the AWD Polestar 2, and there's a new asynchronous motor on the front axle. Total system output now amounts to 421 horsepower and 546 pounds-to-feet, up from 408 horsepower and 467 pounds-to-feet, and the AWD system now has a rear drive bias. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 3.7 seconds, and we expect the 455 horsepower performance pack to be even quicker. Familiar buyers will note the performance pack equipped models actually have 21 horses fewer than last year's model. Battery, charging, and range. Chevron across the board. The 2024 Polestar 2 delivers more miles of range than its 2023 counterpart. Dual-motor cars use the same 78 kWh battery as last year's equivalent, but the front motor can now be disengaged, which bumps range up to 270 miles instead of just 249 miles. The single-motor RWD Polestar 2 not only has a more efficient motor than last year, but it utilizes a new 82 kWh battery capable of up to 300 miles of range. Although the dual-motor cars carry over their previous maximum charge rate of 155 kilowatts, the single-motor offering charges at up to 205 kilowatts. Safety ratings and features. Chevron the Polestar 2 earns a flawless 5-star overall safety rating from the NASA. Last year's Pilot Pack is now standard on the dual-motor version, so blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, a 360-degree camera system, and curve adaptive headlights are now included. The base car will likely retain automatic emergency braking, but we anticipate the Pilot Pack will be optional. Cargo space and interior room. Chevron there's a fair amount of space inside Polestar's electric fastback. The model's 15.5 cubic feet of cargo volume, combined between front and rear trunks, and 42.2-33.9 inches of legroom front and rear are almost identical to the dimensions of the Tesla Model 3, although on paper, the Tesla has a bit more space in the back seat. Technology. Chevron the Polestar 2 was the industry's first vehicle with an Android operating system and Google integration, and that carries forward for 2024. Running on an 11.4-inch vertically oriented touchscreen display. Apple CarPlay is standard, as is a wireless charging pad. The Polestar 2's carbon reduction. Chevron changes in the Polestar 2's production for 2024 reduce the vehicle's carbon emissions by 1.1 tons, now at 5.9 tons per car. The improvement only applies to single-motor variants which come equipped with Polestar's new 82 kWh battery. Improved cell chemistry is responsible for the emission reduction. Recommended trim. Chevron the new single-motor RWD Polestar 2 seems hard to ignore. Not only is it likely to be the most affordable variant, it also offers the most range and quickest charging, plus acceleration is notably improved over last year's entry-level offering. It will also be lighter, especially over the front axle, than its dual-motor counterparts, so we anticipate it will be the enthusiast driver's choice, too. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.